It's no question that Starbucks is one of the most well-known coffee brands in the world. It's hard to go through a shopping center without finding at least one. Find out about America's favorite coffee brand with these top 30 facts about Starbucks. Number 1. Starbucks was founded by 2 teachers and a writer, all without any of them even having a business degree. The first Starbucks was opened in Pike Place Market, Seattle, in 1971. Number 2. In Starbucks, Washington, there is not a single branch of Starbucks coffee. Number 3. Every scene in the movie, Fight Club, shows a cup of Starbucks. Number 4. The name Starbucks from the name of the first mate in Moby Dick. Originally, they nearly named it after the boat in the book called the Pequod. Number 5. The logo of this famous company, the siren, is supposed to be symbolism representing the seductive power of coffee. Number 6. Originally, the siren on the logo was much racier with full chest showing. Number 7. In Saudi Arabia, the Starbucks stores are built with a wall to separate women and men, and the woman was removed from the logo. Number 8. There are some U.S. Navy aircraft carriers with Starbucks on board. Number 9. Starbucks admits that there is no real reason behind the names of their sizes, tall and venti. They were made up in a conference room. Number 10. Just weeks after Starbucks formed its own record label, Hear Music, it was able to draw Paul McCartney over to signing with them in 2007. Number 11. There is a Starbucks at the CIA's Langley campus where the baristas undergo more detailed background checks, and no names are used for the drinks due to security. The baristas aren't even allowed to leave without a CIA escort. Number 12. Since 1987, Starbucks has added an average of 2 stores per day to their locations. Number 13. When you could first buy shares in Starbucks, you could buy in for just $17. Nowadays, shares are worth closer to $80. Number 14. The highest concentration of Starbucks is in Santa Fe Springs, California. There are 560 Starbucks stores within 25 miles. Number 15. The amount of Starbucks employees is over double the amount of the population of Greenland. Starbucks has 137,000 employees, while the population of Greenland is just 56,000. Number 16. On average, a typical Starbucks customer visits the store 6 times per month, but 20% of customers visit Starbucks loyally about 16 times per month. Number 17. There are more than 87,000 drink combinations on the Starbucks menu. Number 18. The largest size at Starbucks, the Trenta, is slightly bigger than your stomach. The average stomach capacity is 900 milliliters, while the Trenta holds 917 milliliters. Number 19. A cup of grande coffee at Starbucks has 320 milligrams of caffeine, which is more than 4 times the amount of caffeine found in a Red Bull. Number 20. Adak, Alaska is the farthest you can get from a Starbucks in America. If you were there and craving a Frappuccino, you would have to travel 1,044 miles to get one. Number 21. On the other hand, if you were to go through New York to Philadelphia, you will never be more than 10 miles away from a Starbucks. Number 22. Interestingly enough, Starbucks spends more on healthcare insurance for their employees than they spend on coffee beans. Number 23. A cinnamon chip scone at Starbucks has more calories than a McDonald's Quarter Pounder. Number 24. Every year, Starbucks uses about 2.3 billion paper cups. Number 25. On December 6, 2017, Starbucks opened its largest cafe in the world in Shanghai, at 29,000 square feet, which is 1/2 the size of a soccer field. Number 26. In Squaw Valley, California, there is a Starbucks with a ski-through, so skiers don't have to take off their equipment. Number 27. The most expensive drink ever ordered was a pumpkin spice latte, with 101 shots of espresso. It was at $93.58. Number 28. Starbucks has found small tables specifically to make solo customers feel less alone. Number 29. If a new Starbucks moves into a neighborhood, the property values in the area increase by double the normal rate. Number 30. Employees are asked to not wear perfume or cologne, so as not to interfere with the smell of their freshly ground coffee. There you have it, you've got the hot steamy spill on Starbucks coffee. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this.